welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Love Nails Nicole. Today I got some birthday gifts to share with you guys. My birthday was a couple days ago, May 20th. Happy birthday to me. So I got this one from my husband. I was telling him about how I wanted to try some of the polishes from Five Below. So this is a $5 set from Five Below. And then my son, all on his own, ordered this Morovan professional nail art kit, acrylic nail system from Amazon, and it had just came in the mail. So I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I want to open this to see what's all in it. So I was going to share that with y'all. I can't wait to open this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot believe he put this out on his own, you guys. Okay, that I'm just amazed at that itself. I just never would have thought. And what's crazy is this is on my Amazon list. I don't know if it's on my LuvNailsNicole's wish list or I have like a bunch of different lists. So I have like an acrylic nail list, a gel nail list, but I also have a LuvNailsNicole's wish list. It has items that I have purchased that you guys may want to try, that I've shared in my videos. So I leave them in there. There's always a link in my description box. And then there's also things that I want to try in that list. So if you guys ever want to go check it out, you can. Like I said, it says it's an acrylic nail system. And I have tried their gel top coat, base coat, and matte top coat. I'm excited to see what their acrylic nail products are like. Coffee. I needed that today so bad. So tired today. Okay. So I got the plastic off, and it looks like I open it here. Okay, first on top, I see a user's manual. Take that out. Oh my. Ooh, I wasn't expecting all of this stuff. I thought it was going to be like a liquid and a powder, like in a brush maybe or something. I wasn't expecting all of this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Cuticle sticks. Wow. Here's something else. Ooh, little fingers, some forms, a nail brush, and some nail glue. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, I needed a new one of these. Nail clipper. Oh, look at some fun little nail gem rhinestone thingies. I hope you guys can see because I feel like it's a glare. Okay, so we have some Morovan Sunflowers Monomer Professional Acrylic Nail System. Ooh, the Morovan, where am I? Way out the way. Morovan base coat and top coat. Little glass damping dish. He did good. Oh my gosh. He made sure it came with all the goodies. A little dispenser bottle. I love these. And it's pink. We've got some toenail separators, or I've seen them use them for like finger separators too. Hold on if I could do it. So toe or finger spacers. And they're just little foam pink ones. Wow. Some nail files. It looks like there's 3 of them. Ooh, so we got some glitter, some acrylic glitter powder. feels like they're in little containers. Cute. We have some, ooh, 2-pack of tips. Each with 100 nails, so 200 nails all together. We've got some white tips and some clear tips. They're both square shape. We have some UV builder gel in clear. 15 grams of that. And here's the powders. So here is a white acrylic powder, pink, and clear. Very cool. Okay, so did I show you guys these ones? They're just like a white clear rhinestone. And these are a bunch of different shapes, like teardrops and flowers, stars, circles, squares, in a bunch of different colors. Okay, I'm gonna open this and see what's all in here. Oh, this one is bent. Well, there's 2 brushes. This one's bent. I don't know if you guys can tell. So, I don't know. But this one looks like a gel brush. This one may be used for acrylic, but it's a very small brush. So, it's a number 4. This one doesn't say. We've got some tweezers. I needed some new one of these because these I have are my old ones and they're straight ones. But these ones are angled, so that's cool. Needed these. And then some cuticle sticks and a cuticle pusher remover, which I have 1,000 of these, so I'll put this one in the giveaway. Let's see what's in here. So you've got the practice finger with the sticky pad on the bottom. Little nail brush, a pink one. A pack of paper forms. This is the glue. The dispenser bottle. The liquid is inside of a plastic, which is good because I could smell it. I was hoping that it didn't spill in the box. Three files it has with it. These are very coarse. Oh yeah, these aren't bad. They work pretty good. I like that. Okay, son. Thumbs up, buddy. You did so good. You can't go wrong with getting mom nail stuff. So that's what he said. He said, I know you like nail stuff. So he went on there and ordered this for mom. How freaking cute. All very pretty colors. Oh shoot, I didn't want to tear it. But they're all in these little clear containers, which is great. I'm gonna try to keep them in here for now until I'm ready to use them. It looks like it came with I kind of like lost count, but I want to say it came with 28 to 30 items because I can't remember if I counted this. If I did, it's 28. If I did not, then 30. But I think 30 items. I did count each of the files. So just for, you know, each item that's in here, which is not bad. I don't know how much he paid for it or anything, but I love it. Thank you so much, son. I hope I'm gonna have him watch this video so he can see what was in it and give this video a thumbs up too. He did really good. I like it. It's so great when your kids start to buy you gifts, you know, after everything you did for them throughout the years, and they show you some love and pop up with it. I had no idea he was even doing this. You know, I didn't think I was going to get a gift from the kids because they kind of forget about us, you know, the parents. But when it's their birthday, honey, we go all out. So, you know, this was awesome. So happy. I can't wait to try this out and see how everything works. So I'm going to put everything back in the kit until I am ready to use it so I can remember what all it came with. It's going to close. Alright, y'all, so I got this all packaged back up. Excuse my nails. You guys see one shorter than the other. As I was about to film, I had picked up my tripod and then my nails split. I've had these on for like a week and they won't come off, and they're glue on. So the glue that I've been using, that Beetles nail bond glue, like it really bonds, it really holds, because I cannot get these suckers off. So I'm gonna try to get them off either today or tomorrow, so please excuse them. I've had a couple people asking do I know how good these polishes are from Five Below, and I never picked them up because I really haven't I haven't seen any swatches of them that I know of, and I haven't looked up any to see, so I figured, you know, this was a perfect gift so I can go ahead and try it out and see how it is. So we went up to the store and he just let me pick out the one that I wanted, and so I decided to choose this one, which is called Colorful Clouds. It's a 7-piece nail polish set, and the name of the polishes are called Smoke and Mirrors. They're argan oil infused, so I thought that was pretty cool. This is how the back looks. It just says directions: apply 2 thin coats of nail polish, waiting 2 minutes for each coat to dry. And that's about it. It says it's long wearing and quick driving. Why can't I talk today? And quick drying. So I probably will swatch these for you guys in a different video, just so this video won't be so super long. It's taped together. But I will just open it really quick so we can see the colors a little bit better outside the box. And I think this is a really... my scissors just flew across me. Okay. I think this is a good deal for $5. You get 7 polishes. And they had some other sets. I'm not sure. You guys are probably going to see the video before this one. I do have a video, Five Below video, where I was showing the sets that they had when I was looking at this one. You guys might see that first. But they had some sets that came with like cuticle oil, a top coat, base coat, and stuff like that. But I just didn't like all the colors that were in them. So I chose this one because I knew I would wear these colors more than anything. So these are the colors. So there's like a light blue, a pretty like pinkish, like blush, rose blush type of color. Like a mint, kind of like a teal blue mint. A silver glitter, and this one is so pretty. It's like, it has like some pink and purple in it, some really pretty glitters. This one's white, looks like with some purple and pink glitters in it or something like that. And this one's really pretty too. You could see the holographic glitter inside of it. It's like a bronze or like a rose goldish bronze. Really pretty. So I'm not gonna take them out until I get ready to swatch them for you guys, but I just want y'all to see them up close for now. The beautiful colors. So yeah, that is the Smoke and Mirror set from Five Below. $5, you guys. $5. And I like how they give you the option to take, there's little dotted lines here where you could take this off. So say if you want to give it for a gift, no one has to know you paid $5 for this really nice set of polish. Y'all, that is it. I just want to show you guys the nail items that I got on my birthday, May 20th. Taurus in the house. Do we have any more Tauruses out there? Y'all drop a comment and let me know. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. give me a like since it's my birthday, and subscribe, okay? That would make me so happy. And thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by and taking a look at this video today. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.